We apologize for the delay. Itumi contestant ni mathasar da judge being quiz hagai ne. Atumi question ngahan gagachilam thana na sir da quiz hagai ne yang china tamka quigai ne chuwang phyomido. Arila itumna top 5G kabangalu shik vaisa se china. Let's welcome the 10 contestants on the stage. Okay, yang laga contestant kachiba mo may nara top 5 li kamera to. Energy shiman mao may din natum za thai gai la. Kachiba mo may na kamera. Again, not contestant number. Okay, itum lang nang rumasiya. All right, ladies, you have done very well. Congratulations, natum top 10 li ka kaiwang. But it's a beauty contest. We will be choosing only 5 again. So, the first contestant who made it to the top 5 is contestant number 11, Kumrawan Santher. Okay. Achuba matimang tayar ko. And the next contestant who made it to the top 5 is contestant number 12, Temtem Ashimre. Okay? Our contestant, kya katay do? Katsum, okay? The next contestant and the third spot is contestant number 4, Gladys Jajo. All right, the fourth spot belongs to contestant number. Bang may lom sham na contestant number 13, Sumi Ningshen. Alright. Kiba time rao kaji. Okay, the last contestant, but certainly not least. Contestant number 2, Valamet Ngalung. Thank you so much, ladies, and congratulations to the 5 of you. You've made it to the top 5, and now you will be facing a question round again. Okay. You will follow the same sequence. You'll come here. You will pick a judge, and you will be answering your question. Okay. Okay, are you ready for their answer? All right. Contestant number 2, Valamet Ngalung. she chose Judge Pilazan Shang.
Hello.
Hi,
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Ara rauna ka kubaw ki da kakhniya baheli ki teu ka tough ka sa ka may question lang hanaw ra ya. You prove you're intelligent and I'm happy for that. Arui hiling han ka ngai question yarui na ka teu ka control ka sa mi say because they are preparing. Question na ka hina it is related to Tangkhul women. There are an opinion by outsider, that is non-Tangkhul, that I got, Tangkhul women are morally loose. Do you agree? Why? Or not agree? Why? Tangkhul now makaning bing na, Tangkhul sinaw bing hi, morally loose saye jika hangdak lehili namayala, kyuvangay namayaw, kalana na himam yangay mnejika kiwiwang.
Ma'am, morally loose chiwi ka.
Morally loose ka jatam tranjili, shinawa ka na sadak lejili zakkashi. Shinawa ka wi pasali pasanay da magakwi, shinawa ko achamaram hidhaye gijihi. It has, I mean, the society, itum Tangkhul society being na kamatha kapha shinaw hidhaye gijili mazat kharar lanli karam da kajijawi character morality chili atum chili sakta mapaningla ka winning ka changjai na sa ka hai shinawa ka kajiwi quality chili paning laga chilu sawe morally. For example, city li leidak lebing live in hili paila kai na khuye ya ka it's in our society, itumi Tangkhul society liva, it's a big deal. Jikta one example I'm giving you, Lu.
Thank you, ma'am. Iwi take a quilly hanglo jia cover. Jat kate bing na Tangkhul now bing li kangajaina in a gate liver, yangalake, ka in a yangagajili. Itumui Tangkhul now been asagavat sadak lehi mamya ngai laga junk labor me. Itumui snow, Madalagan a snow bing, itumui snow bing hili. Itumui shitkasang kavati, gajunka labor delay. In a take a quilly, itumui very shirin lila shitkasang kavati, gajunka leda lay, gala miwi lunglig at adamjit haran lila, gajunka Kayagashi, Gala Shikasan Kawati, Gajunkale, Gala Jiktala Table Bamdale, Jena Atum, Ayerna being Jadka de being the Yankara Damjitaran Lee. Itum Tangkhul now being Lee, Nate hung in a table bame. Atumwe, Itumwe, Gasakava, psychology Lee, Atum the Mumya Hangaji, E. Mayanga. Nishner.
Thank you so much. Next, contestant number 3. Contestant number 4, Gladys Jajo. Judge A.C. Rising.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations, contestant number 4.
Thank you, sir.
Why should we choose you as a Miss TKLI 2024? And how would you use your title to benefit our society?
Thank you so
Kiwiwang
much.
ay na itumna na li Miss TKLI 2024 kabangkuyay ka kada Miss TKLI title hina itumi society di kanagabay ki sami bay rekra.
Thank you so much, sir. Arjang ni kita excited sa ida ngahan ka ngay nagay niyang. TKLI Miss with title he. It's not just about beauty. It's not just about outer appearances. It's about how someone like me, how a girl carries herself, how my views about the world, and how I convey my messages. it's about how I influence other people and how my thoughts also influence other people. So TKLI title he. Sorry, was it? If I get it there. Sorry. So if I get this title, actually one question is.
Nali TKLI we miss kapangkuai ke na kathada na we title TKLI miss title hina itumi society hiri kathada ngochon baira kathada impact positive impact ji kathada mi baira kre.
So TKLI we title he ilisa mangau ke TKLI miss akhna sakharan hiwi kamatha diji kate juniors binglila in a convey samirayang laga positive salary ne impact hada in a kahang thada in now the independent woman ak sangai giji iwi juniors kala migate lila juniors mangning ne kha kharnau binglila in a atumli message mi laga atumli la positive salary na impact influence sangai giji hangai ning schnai.
Thank you so much. Next contestant number 11, Kumrawan Somter. Judge AC Rising.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
If you were given a power, what would you do to bring peace among community at war in Manipur? Nadi pangshap mi sigachia Manipuri rai sadakre hi chingri hai kwai nanaki sargra.
Thank you for the question, sir. If I were to given such a power to change the conflict and to change the current situation in Manipur, then I would love to have the power of a leader. And as a leader, I would look through every situation that is going through in Manipur and do my best to solve the conflict. And sir, can you please repeat the question? Just once.
If you were given a power, what would you do to bring peace among communities at war in Manipur?
Okay. I'd love to have the power of a strong leader who looks through every situation, who thinks for the people, who puts others before himself or myself, and I would do my best to solve everything, and I would encourage every people that whatever you're going through, you can get over it if we are all united and if we all come together. And yes, that's all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 12, Tem Asian. Judge Papa Gajui.
Congratulations for making it to top 5.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you are glowing right now.
Thank you.
Okay, my question to you is keep smiling, huh? There's marks for that. Girls, your smile is very important. My question to you is as a woman, it is our duty to stand up and empower one another. You agree that, right? What is your message to the sexual abusers? It could be men and women, both. I repeat my question. As a woman, it is our duty to stand up and empower one another. What is your message to the sexual abusers, both men and women? Translate sala. Shinawa ka sada, akaina ka support sa kang rock. Akalikla shat ka shogatam li nganinga mi kang rocky itumi kangcha sa kang yi otsak akane chi na arihon rape cases kujung ka shock tale shinaw bing li sexually abuse sa kai kujung ka lay tale kibangle jika biologically we are built different and man atum na itum li pang mai gi akaji le yaw da itum li chita da chipa dai chi na chipa ta kle mi ping chili shinaw la jang ko hi le yang shinaw li sexual abuse ka sa hi shinaw la jangai Shinauli la mir nauli la abusers being jilina na key message convey sangay.
Thank you for your question. Agi sangay jika itum shinaw to shinaw akasak wilaga itum hada encourage sak ngrok yang itum with sisterhood will build up sisterhood. And hada ari abuse kasa kachit hada jika abuse kajihi shinaw na mir naw na shinaw li sexual abuse kasa kajihi itum kutong ka shalak laye jika he is not a new topic. It has been like 2013 la nearby case se shokyang jila alila jak shalak in the sexual assaults hawe amam ni sala there are thousands and millions of women atumli abuse mi kai sexual abuse mi kai kala sexual abuse ka sala mani sala tumli la rape la sala ka sathat kai le yang ka ina achi hang kai ba hina itum hi firstly every school li itum hi sex education ka ji promote sak vai dakar sa ye because ari national league na hapong like education ka ji hi it's a very important in our life national wen hapong ta itum khraw in tang da ari tang da itum na tamba tam shidak like dong kli sex education ka ji kami dakar sa na ye laka itum hi good touch bad touch tala itum katong ka sha ser yang khana sampong ser oja we na ka chili shina mangli matam thaila mena opini la kali good touch kali bad touch ka chi hitam thai faida ka sai because mena yang main sada parents bing na itum shina ka chi hi ada haru ni dala example sai yang akchita haru kai kai chi ba me shem sang ba lu ni da so ka mena ka chi li itum na shina ka sada ishi parents bing dala hang ya shina ka sai ka pung 7 taika or 6 taika kyam sho primer ko restriction ka ji lai jila khamya naw liba freely arin tang da pung 8 9 10 thada kyang li ka thaye gari ka thau ka thaye yang jeda in hang khai ba itum woman as a woman itum hi arin tang da freedom sa sala is itum hi click la feel free masaran yang restriction me naw na chi da rape sare warning chu mi shi parents when la chi da rape sare da sare dia ka hi shna mali matam thela mena ka chi hili latam thaya darkar sai mena kha mena kha power ga shi chin raklei shna respect ha sar raklei shna li awi body ji ka thada maintain salaga good example of a real man ka chi hi thai fai darkar sai de si sala hangai thank you
contestant number 12 next contestant number 13 Sumi Ningshin. Judge Papa Kachui.
Congratulations to you two for making it up to top 5.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, since you are the last contestant, I hope and pray that you will finish this with a good touch. Okay?
I'll try my best.
Okay, my question to you is, if you are crowned Miss TKLI this evening, how will you carry your crown as a Christian girl? I repeat the question. If you are crowned Miss TKLI this evening, How will you carry your crown as a Christian girl? Explain Sala.
Tangkhul ai na trusted sam.
Nali aring zin hi mystic helai sa the crown sami ai kha. Vereshi shinawa ka sada. Nana kathada nawi crown ji kathada shichinra. Nana kathada zatvara. Vereshi shinawa ka sada.
Iliari hing zin hili mystic LIW crown sam bangai ka Christian girl aksada. Crown hin sam ga bangai na langsok vaimning ne miwi mangali temrek vaimning ne cover I sam bangai ka jite like a good example junior being we one good example akasak vai crown sare gala miwi mangali chi sam bangai da proud was har saf lung res khaladawi sam ga bangji wa thai jilala over masala miwi mangali minaning ga chai ka bai apongai na majite la Tasam jaram kai iji sambange ni share volume so chikat ke chikta wi mo ina jithere kala sam ga bang ground hiwi na chumai thui da matai mai thui da ning shi gi ji very nei chi hangai ni share.
Okay, contestants, the tum sak already ning shnai. Now we leave Kibana uniquely jiba we'll leave that to the judges. Judges being la quiz ala kan nari atam quiz no. Ari hi kibali shong sangai do. Kibani iliva ila samyo lo jla. Samyo ko. Track number 7 maji. Sang now jini lam samre. Ari hi itum alumni. Guest RTC, Achui Soro Kalire, Yarina Pangpilga, welcome Sami Shite, Kalanamaka Chowring Laga, Kasharak Sauge, Itumi, Zinget, Namam Tatu Gida, Atangwe, Atam Kioka Dile Sawe, Chui, Gina Maram Sada, Atami Tada, Sonrag Haine, Juvangina, Katiokala, Miere, Jena, Itumi, Alung Hilita, the Kazipta Clay, Yao Yaina, yearly Lamazate, Kalachi Langda. Itumna mina yangai by otsak chila sase itumui hili tangkhul na mang kasip da claiming ne kuinam da clay hi chat ka din la yang ser da clay ne yang chena natum sa korali lumshan mi da itumui program hi kasip hi mabung phala kai na kup sang vai sa se gi hi kabone kala program hi mathang kubra ma mandale kubaure itumui crowning kubai laga siya sang rom laga sa korna ngathan rom se gi request sane jena ari atam hi taran Achui Soroli Akshida welcome Salushitse.
Kanugli guy can Kalui later. Hi, Shvajim Sasine. Ari Baba. Hey, lastly, tongues it. Ari Baba to pop mang side. Hey. Mi nana ali ning jang liao baji sase Twiga termaning ina li lai shi thei da ka sanghai da Nani kanga so kama shitang sama Mi winga sara da hunka Li chi sir hawa Ina li shi mama Kana tuya ma Imang li gashi man gashi nga sa Ini lai gashi Kakalat malay ratuwa Ina li ning chang Na li ning chang Ning chang Punning Louis Chioka. Cause you home, but you home in there. Hangai Shinali, Inali Laishi, the Shima that we drink. In a Tisang Sai, come up and Sama. Me wing a Sarah. She
Mom Tato. Accept pang line nag pay me say jo. Okay, Ning Shinai, thank you so much Atri Soro for the wonderful performance. Ari Tumlila, another artist. Kibam Rodo. Kibani. Athang wo dai Shankar Gup sa ai ri tha thakar kibagam ro. Ha? Kibani. Akaya kham sarang ji thai de ya. Ishi athang razang kai pastor bing na kaya kham ji shang sa gaus nei ya really. Jaina kaya khachi ka sa myo ro de mai shim ngam ni request sa lui de le. Jaina mai shing ngam. Ya reset ko na bang phe ga welcome sa lui shit se. Bang mai lo Raphei Tiger. Ava we tam khui lak re da balwe re. Khui no. Okay, bang mai da cheers ami se.
TKLI usually atum na number mi khraj le akai kam chom ko ka ji dal la kim tham ne ka ari ahili aba ngala kham tha atum na hi song so ko si hi song so sa da ge hi ina tha da yang jana serial number 2 pa se ana first cream roll yo có chia yêu ôm mình là他的热响力人的微笑cái chung lại ý Tangkhul evening la foreign le ili prasang se ja live 52 live south ke chi mang expose hak mili millions samur chi ka Tangkhul le khi le do mile le ga ning la okay ia khani mang pun la ga are I wan I pai wa joy Marip ngesekpa ngesekai akai akchina kishna misa asakai shini comfort na pen naung raliki kembaliki akai akchi wiva kik Shiva Malay the color that you're ring ring concert last back nada hey the full last back china khalele bishop na sa no thotpa ukta haida ukvazale ani phasang pata de live 52 live soft na kimai khala phawile sambang haide ni re phai ngchi adam ongwi haida ngesut long ding soda atiliha akai agchina mirin kayaka na shampwi haire akai chinangana mirin kayaka na pida haire akai agchina mirin kayaka na shima haire Popi sama popi pa bahan hindi pa ma Pagkakang sulit pangis Naway ng kahan Ring-ring ang sakrada Nasok na uli Kansalay kahan Kinakido Aspect na dahan Ay nagfulan kahan Last night in a kalele Bishukas Kutakwa Ikutahayga Ikutahayga Adi Bhasan Bahanaga China Kyarine Leif 52 Leif South Kimamikala Avida Samanghaile Iwahaile Kutsi Adam Umbihaida Nisod Nauli Nisoda Hatiliha Niso Subshit the cropping Wishi Quilaga Laji the Shapshilama Ebret Dimutri Chapma Hairu Irin Pika Sakaship of Malay Earning Lumbachu Quilu Now we be 1, 2, go! The cook and the chill. Ding on the secret, the surrounding. Gina Kido, last bit, hey, the flood. Lost make in a curly lane to shook the sun. Who was a day? I passing by to the carine. If 50 lifts up now, keep a make a love. How we do some bang high. Kutsi Adam Umbihaida Nisod Nauli Nisoda Hatiliha Raphei La Akamang Punagara upon when indigo fly.
Thank you so much, Amashimangam. Actually, the Bangnagan Banga Pimi say, issue with TKLI like Shlakainana, Ukruwena, Kori Li Taurga, Taijla. Myanmar extreme corner shongaina kori thaulaga shoke daga winger and he tak shongne ya ning schneider yari naksh da mang wang bang be milu sitse ningang mungar kre. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Itumi once more ji rally shitse arava itumna on jingaina kale itumi achiwi TKLI Miss Contest kibana kwini kle da ngai da lere mangrai do na tom kibana kwim raudo kibana ni. Okay, jimung narang daga. Let's welcome the 5 contestants on the stage. Music, please. Bang baby say arena. Thank you. Matalala, mataka zangkat. Pupor na jika pupor matame. Question ngahan gagana jia cover. Mushunglak ngahan ga tailak ay ngahan ga sir guy ne. Sai ko hanglo crowny pangana kui bai sik jaba Mr. Oriang. But in the competition there's a winner. So, are you ready? Okay. Kena boxi do. Okay. The second runner-up, Miss TKLI 2024, goes to contestant number. Guess masangay na contestant number. Okay. The second runner-up goes to contestant number 2, Valamet Ngalong. Congratulations. Kala issue second runner-up we crowning he itumili Miss Pilayung Chacho, Miss Manipur 2022. And the crowning the Samirno. And the actually groom la and the Sami Sergine. Yeah, we say going to bang pay me say. Thank you so much, Miss Pilayung Chajo. I 2022 Miss Manipur participates alaga second runner up kakine. Thank you so much. Kala achiwi grooming hila na sa kamine. Now, are you ready for the first runner up? Kibana kuy mrao. Mutaim niya. Kibana contestant number. Contestant number 11, Kumrawan Somter. First runner-up, we crowning he, Mr. Winston Shimra, proprietor Shimra Enterprise, and the Kakao Mirno.
Yeah.
The winner of Miss TKLI 2024 goes to contestant number 13, Sumi Ningshen. Issuing Miss TKLI 2024 we crown winner crowning here issuing Kashik Baya advisor Miss Mem Won Kwimi Valui advisor TKLI HOD Department of Education Danamanjuri University and the crowning Krasamirano. Congratulations, Sumi Ningshen. Okay, congratulations to the three of you. Now you may take a walk as a Miss TKLI 2024. Okay, issuing program hi kup sang mama nai re mathang nya shong sai lam tha na khai ne itumi contestants bing yang kha chan atu mangli ho cham ri nak sa je itumi atung ba nang ran khami ni jaw siang. Okay, ning yang mong gle deserving masado hili miss crabbing je. I'm sure. Okay, that is the end of our beauty contest. However, itumi akama hila there is a lot more to do tomorrow. Akamai cultural day ne juwaina unit sai corona ngahan gik ji la item kalai dele chenang soda kanghan li zang la ma zang la natum na hili kraj tharan cultural attire ka sangrami log ji sakla kai na kabone ngala naw bing na lakshan sangra se yaro naw bing la itumi tangkhul mir naw wisari sangra ka bai ji sangra la ka itumi sari shangla kai na khlei ji yari li la ji the se ya kala chenang soda ari hui hau gi da itumna hi ngathan khai chi tharan hi we apam hi li la mapam lui la shimli direct ong ro ka se ya laga akham hi atam chala kai na rang rok se athang hi kdio kha khre thang la sau gi da ka hui la khazeng khai ne kha akham hi atam cha mai da ra se ki chi hi nathum sai korli request ka sa ne kala chenang so da ari hi li machine ma khuyang mi khai bing audience bing nathum na ari rashung da ring phala kai na kala katom thaila kai na pamra mi khai juwang ning shi chung kamin de le nathum wi mangai na kala online li yang da kle nathum pingui manga aina event hi successful sala kai na rashung gai ne kala achi zimi show wi hina khang chang sa hai re nathum sai korali ning shinai re ji hangai kala chen so da ithumi how go pokli se ha sa ta ka mai na ka kubli la se ha sa se juwang ne ithumi achi wi ari wi benediction hi Pastor Johnny Shimre, GS Shimre, and Shonkalaga, Seakra Samirna.
Hello.
Pastor Nakamahung the Lilaga Akama cultural attire show Lizangi the Kalay participants being Natumna Kchingrada Kashikamang Wivang Sopam Vai Natumli Ngakauda Kline Ko Mo Misala Shong backstage Shong Krami look Chile Nick Schneider.
Area item na Hopok the Kangajang Adam Kurami Bang with the Rally Nishilage Miang Rabin, Natumli in a Hankang Iva, Sayak Sali in Jinsan Kangaiva. Virana itumli as a Kamatara Miada, Katemtan Kamara Miada, itum Nakotonga, Paya Jaina, Mina itumli, and sogs that itumli Kataya Demtranli. Idi Dada Hang, Kaja Kongjaina, Naga Jika, Tankuli Teye. My Dana, Naga Jika, Tankuli Teye. Na e na i jiwang na katha da phaning tare na tangkul ji ka shung la gai na sak vai khon na tare la no ithumia tung le le tare jai na ithumna ka gu shunga tangkul mi yor jing sak vai rale se asa se kunu thot ping kudongang ninga da rale se asa se Look commission like Shina Budding Kaya, Kazingdam Likalaya, itum psychorally Nami Jing the Klaya, have of Rivra, no look commission, Sokin Mengaina, Tankul Yurhina, Nana Somi Aida, Rakamatara, Azaknai Kamatara, Nana Gatonga, Rumsum Mikajivang, Melinin Shilake, Aru itumna, Kamtawi Vang, Katemi Vang, Molang Sohaira, Kava Vidra, Nali, Novap Maida, Miang Rabi Hina, Kunutop being Hina. Naling about my dog to take away. Hilirazang the Kalaya. Now she not being Gatonga, you'd being no sokomiji, Dashung Milo, the Sasata Pole. Varatumli, Tankamaya, Kagashunga, Ajama Ramjira, Nanatum Rumsang Miloda, Kanimagaga, Jishu Christo, we mean sing the Gabona. Amen.
Thank you so much, Pastor. Siasa Mikai Juvang. And thank you so much once again for being here tonight. And kachikatana Miss Kakui Bing li amukap kangai leka itu mi judges bing kala advisors bing amukap ngrum se Juvang na Miss Bing hilik shok taran natum na kami do. Sa ikorali ning shishire akamasambong ni nao se mangpame se.